In today's video, I'll teach you how to sync Google Feed to Strava. So first of all, open the Strava application on your device. You can see over here Strava application has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see your profile. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you'll be able to access the settings. What you have to do is tap on this option, manage apps and devices, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to connect a device to Strava, or you can also sync with the services. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for Google Feed. So what you have to do is check on this box right next to this option. Now after you do that, you'll be able to sync with Google Feed. Tap on this option, connect, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is choose an account. Simply tap on your Google account. Now you'll have to grant additional access to Strava. You can simply select the access that you would like to give. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here Strava has been connected to Google Feed. So like this, you'll be able to sync them. So that is how you sync Google Feed to Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.